Hey there, everyone. So we're wrapping up on 2022 and we're getting ready to head into 2023. For us here at Arizona Drone, it's been a year of growth. It's been a year of new projects and new delivery formats and new tools that we're using in our small drone business. Coming into 2023, I've got a big question for you. What are you doing with your drone business? Are you growing it in 2023? Have you just started the business up and you're looking for tips and tricks and ways to help grow your business? If so, you've come to the right place today. As we wrap up on 2022, we've made a lot of additions to our online courses over at Teachable. And one particular class bundle might be of interest to you as we're coming into 2023 to get ready to get rolling on your drone business as well. And that's our complete class bundle. So over the course of the past couple of years, from actual job sites, locations that we've worked, tools that we've used, we kind of bring everything together for how AZ Drone has been operating and will continue to operate and grow. In our complete bundle class, we actually have 17 courses in total. So over 50 hours of class material, and I'm just going to scroll on down here to show you what's exactly in our class bundle. Now, we're not going to talk through every single one of these because I know that you're capable of reading, and you can pop over to the website classes.azdrone.net and click on our class bundle to see everything that's in the bundle. By the way, each of these courses can be purchased standalone as well. But of course, since we're coming to the end of 2022, we've got a really great deal and we've got a great discount on all 17 classes. So the classes start out, we actually do this in a progression. Post Part 107, you've passed the test. What are you going to do next? So that's where we're getting into building our drone business. One of the big things we do here at AZ Drone is drone construction progression reporting. So that's the second one to give you some ideas about how our workflow works. I'm actually going to click into this one really quick. Like I said, we're not going to spend a bunch of time on each of these. And by the way, every one of our classes does offer a free preview and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So we actually have a full workflow that we go through with every one of our projects, and that starts at the client phone call or client contact email. So we walk you through the entire process of how we prepare for our flights, how we plan our flights, execute them, post-process them, and finally deliver the content to our clients. Of course, we've got a Making Money with Your Drone class series, and that class series actually shows several projects that we've worked on throughout 2022. We also include our custom drone deliverable web pages because this is a great way for us, at least, to share our deliverables with our clients in an easy to use presentation style format. We also go into another drone construction progression job that took place a couple of years ago, but it's completely relevant today. 3D modeling for beginners, low cost solutions. This stuff can get expensive. And we're just going to scroll on through to see some more. So we do cover autonomous flight apps like Litchi and like Ground Station Pro, Drone Harmony, Measure Ground Control, and more. Map Pilot Pro is another one as well. We also talk about the modeling applications that we utilize today. So Agisoft's Metashape and WebODM, the open source solution for doing 3D models. Finally, we have some not quite drone classes as well, building 360-degree virtual tours with Kuula, because we also do outside 360-degree tours. Yes, you can do that with your drone. So we do include a couple of videos on 360s because they are a regularly requested item that we get from our clients often. So we walk you through that. And finally, we do a Lightroom quick start for beginners because a lot of this drone work involves still images and we want to edit those images to the best of our abilities to provide our clients with really high-end deliverables in the end. So if you're planning to start your new drone business in 2023, or you've already started it here in 2022, but you need to get a handle on some more of the tools and some more of the techniques, this class series might be for you. Now, this is the last one of these types of videos that I'm going to be posting on YouTube because we are coming into the new year. So this is the last time I'll be talking about this in 2022. Once we're into the new year, we're going to be taking these discount codes off. But in the meantime, if you do have an interest in our full class bundle, the coupon for this class bundle is AZ Bundle. and it's in all caps. Now, normally this class series is $250 for all 17 courses included, but up through New Year's Day, we're marking it down $150. So if you use the coupon code AZBundle, you're going to get a discount of $150 on this full class series. I hope you take the time to check it out. I hope you take the time to look at some of our free previews on our courses to see if my teaching style meshes with your needs and if it's interesting enough to you. And like I said, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. Well, all right, everybody. This is the last of my sales pitches for 2022. And coming into 2023, I hope you have a great start to the new year and a great start to building your drone business further.